Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this to have a dotted or dashed line that's ½ inch apart between the dashes. It's almost impossible just to take with your pen tool, and I made this a ½ inch, to go and pick one. Because one, you can see that one's not the same. Let's back up here and make them, so whenever you have your pick tool or your pen tool, you'll have these different things. But I mean, you could maybe draw one, but then you'd have to know the length of your curve, and they're not going to be perfect. So the way to do it, or at least one of the ways to do it, is we just have an ellipse. I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to and it's a ½ inch line. Convert the outline to an object. I'm going to go ahead and left click, right click. And then I'm going to take a 2-point line. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to make it a ½ inch line. But then I'm going to go here and make it an object. And then I can left click, right click. I'm actually going to make it red. And then Control D, and whatever spacing you want, I'm just going to rotate it 10 degrees. And just keep controlling D all the way around. Now, I'm pretty sure you're going to have to group your lines together. So now we're going to take these and go up to Object and group them together for this to work. Now we're going to get our other line, not that one, this one, put it back where it was, select it all, and go back minus front. Every line will be exactly the same length, and even though they're tapered, if you take your parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node, it's a ½ inch apart, every single one of them. And then all you have to do is we can back up here, and if you want them black or blue, or just left click your mouse and right click no outline, and you'll have a dotted line that's pretty much perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.